Hello friends, hope you're doing good. As you all know that iCloud backups can sometimes feel stressful. It can be slow while uploading and the long wait for the large files can sometimes feel frustrating. Well, what if I tell you that you could skip the cloud entirely and back up your data directly to a local drive? It would be faster, more secure and completely under your control. So let me show you how you can do it using 4D Dig Partition Manager. First of all, go to the 4D Dig website. You can find the link in the description and download the software. Here you can see that it can be downloaded on Windows 7 and above. After it is downloaded, open the file and follow the instructions to install it. It is very light, so it will not slow down your computer and will be installed soon. When you open 4D Dig Partition Manager for the first time, you'll see the main interface with multiple options on the left side. These include clone disk, migrate, backup, partition management, toolkit, etc. Each option is designed to make managing your drives simple and straightforward. Let's start with backup. Click backup, then select the folder or drives you want to save. I have already done a backup, so I would click new. Click backup and the process will begin. Select a file and click next. It is making a backup file in drive D. Click start to confirm. Since it is local, backups are much faster than cloud uploads. If you ever need to restore your files, go to restore, select your backup and click restore. The software will retrieve everything quickly and easily, so you don't have to worry about losing important data. You can also do a system backup. For that, go to the backup option, click new and go with system backup. Once there, you can see that your Windows can be backed up using this process in seconds and you can restore it whenever you want. Another important feature is partition management. Click it and you will see all the drives on your computer. Now let's say if you want to make some changes in drive D, then you can click it and get these options. From here you can choose options like Migrate OS, Resize, Split, Merge or Delete partitions, etc. This is really useful if you want to organize your storage or create a dedicated space for backups. The interface makes it very easy to manage partitions even if you're not a tech expert. Besides backup and partition management, 4D Dig Partition Manager helps you clone disks. For example, if you have an external SSD, then you can clone your system disk, that is 190 GB in my case, and then select the external hard drive and click next to clone and it will do so in a quick moment. Although I'm not willing to do that, so I'll just stop it here. You can also go with the migrate option, using which you can migrate your operating system to a new SSD and you can also migrate applications to different locations. It is faster and easier than reinstalling the apps on newly installed system. For example, I can transfer Photoshop from C to D drive without any hurdle. Partition recovery is the feature which helps you recover the lost or accidentally deleted partitions. By selecting the drive and clicking on quick scan, and the tool will detect the partitions lost. I can click this file and start recovery. You can also upgrade your Windows from this option here. As you can see here, it gives you the option to detect and upgrade to Windows 11 if you have any previous version. The final feature is the toolkit. It has these features like a repair partition for corrupted data, a repair boot, data erase for deleting data permanently, etc. I've tried many backup tools and 4D Dig really stands out. It is lightweight and uses almost no system resources. Backups are fast compared to uploading your data because everything is sorted locally here. Also, the restoring of data is very much smooth and easy to follow. So if you're someone who cares about speed, privacy and simplicity, then 4D Dig Partition Manager can be one of the best tools for you. If you want to explore this tool, just click on the link in the description and let me know which of the features you like the most. So that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, adios.